Hello, and welcome back to the Academy of English Excellence. This is your dedicated space to listen, repeat, shadow, and master the English language at a slow, comfortable, and completely natural pace. My name is your host today, and I am absolutely thrilled that you are here to practice with me. In this special episode, I am going to speak slowly. I will use clear, simple words, and I will repeat key ideas. Why do we do this? We do this so you can easily shadow my voice, practice your speaking aloud, and build your confidence step by step. Today, we're going to focus on a very important topic: how to describe your daily routine in English. We will not just learn short, isolated words. Instead, we will build full, beautiful ideas. We will explore what you do in the morning, what happens during your busy afternoon, and what your relaxing evening routine looks like. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about your day in English with clarity and absolute natural flow. Let us begin our journey together. Why is daily routine so important? Before we dive into the sentences, let us think for a moment. Why is it so incredibly helpful to practice talking about your day? It is important because your day is real. It is something that belongs to you. It happens to you every single day, from the moment you open your eyes to the moment you go to sleep. You already know your routine perfectly in your native language. Because of this, you do not need to search for strange or difficult ideas. You do not need to talk about complex subjects like history, advanced science, or global politics. You simply need to talk about your own life. You can say exactly what time you wake up. You can describe what you love to eat for breakfast. You can share if you leave the house for work or if you stay at home to study. You can also talk about how you feel, whether you feel tired, busy, happy, or relaxed. And here is the absolute best part. When you describe your own day, you are practicing real English, useful English, English that you can immediately use to talk to other people in real-life situations. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to try. When you talk about your day regularly, an amazing thing happens. You begin to think directly in English. You stop translating words inside your head, and you begin to use complete sentences automatically. Let us imagine a quick example. Imagine you meet a friendly neighbor or a new colleague. They smile and ask you, "What did you do today?" If you have already practiced your routine, you will not freeze. You can answer calmly and say, "I woke up at 7 a.m. I had a quick coffee, answered my emails, and went to work. In the evening, I cooked dinner and watched a movie." Look at that. That is a full conversation. That is real, successful communication. And that is exactly our goal today at the Academy of English Excellence. Even if you are studying completely alone today, even if you are not sitting in an official English classroom, and even if you feel a little bit shy, you can still practice. Whenever you do not know what to say in English, just ask yourself these simple questions. What time did I wake up? What did I eat? Where did I go today? What did I do in the evening? These questions are like keys. They help your brain remember vocabulary, they build strong language habits, and they take away the stress. You can do this practice in the morning to reflect on yesterday, or you can do it at night to review your day. The secret is to keep it simple. Use the words you know, and never worry about making mistakes. One single sentence today turns into 2 sentences tomorrow, and soon you will be telling your whole story. Let us build that incredible skill together, step by step, word by word, one real sentence at a time. Let's start at the very beginning of the day, the morning. The morning is a beautiful, important part of your schedule. It sets your mood, gives you energy, and is the perfect time to think in English. I will read each sentence slowly. Please listen carefully and then repeat it out loud during the pause. Let us practice. Morning practice sentences. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Sometimes I wake up a bit earlier, around 6:30 a.m., when I have a busy day. If I stay in bed too long, I feel lazy and slow. I like to turn off my alarm clock immediately so it does not make too much noise. I stay in bed for a few minutes to stretch my arms and legs. Then I sit up slowly, put my feet on the floor, and get out of bed. I walk quietly to the bathroom to start my morning. I take my toothbrush and brush my teeth thoroughly for 2 minutes. After that, I splash cold water on my face to help myself feel completely awake. On warm days, I prefer to take a quick, refreshing shower. While I am showering, I love to listen to soft music or an English podcast. I use a soft, clean towel to dry myself off completely. Then I open my wardrobe and choose my clothes for the day. I usually prefer to wear something casual, like comfortable jeans and a simple t-shirt. If I have a formal meeting, I wear a smart shirt and nice shoes. Next, I walk straight to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. I believe breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I often fry 2 eggs and toast a slice of fresh bread. Some mornings I prefer a simple bowl of cereal with cold milk and a chopped banana. I always sit down at the dining table to eat my food slowly. I boil water to make a hot cup of fresh coffee. If I want something lighter, I choose to drink hot green tea with a little lemon. While I am eating, I enjoy reading a book or checking the local weather forecast. Before I leave my house, I always double-check my smartphone for messages. I look at my calendar to see my tasks and appointments. I carefully pack my backpack with my notebook, pens, wallet, and keys. I never forget to fill up my reusable water bottle. Finally, I lock the front door, walk outside, and step into the morning air. Now, let us try something advanced but fun. I am going to tell you a short, continuous story about a typical morning. I will pause after each sentence. Try your best to copy my rhythm, my pronunciation, and the tone of my voice. Let us begin. Every single morning, my alarm rings precisely at 7 a.m. I do not get up immediately. Instead, I lie quietly in bed for 5 minutes to clear my mind and think about my goals. Then I stand up and walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully and wash my face with cool water to feel energized. Once I feel awake, I head to the kitchen. The house is very quiet and I like that peace. I prepare a healthy breakfast of oatmeal with honey and fresh strawberries. Along with my food, I drink a large mug of black coffee. While the coffee is warm, I look out the window at the green trees and listen to the birds. At 8 a.m., it is time to get ready. I put on my favorite clothes, brush my hair, and check myself in the mirror. I gather my keys, my wallet, and my bag. I open the front door, smile at the sunshine, and begin my day with a positive mind. Wonderful job. Now, let us move to the middle part of the day, the afternoon. This is usually the time when people are working hard, studying at school, or taking care of their families. Even if your afternoon is incredibly busy, you can always find 5 minutes to practice your English. Let us learn and repeat some excellent afternoon sentences together. Afternoon practice sentences. I usually begin my afternoon work right after I finish my lunch. Around 1:30 p.m., I often feel a little bit sleepy or tired. To stay focused, I sit at my desk and open my laptop computer. First, I check my email inbox and reply to the urgent messages. I write a clear list of things I need to finish before evening. Sometimes I have an important online video meeting with my team. During the meeting, we talk about current projects and share our creative ideas. I make sure to speak clearly and listen to my colleagues with respect. If I work from home, I try to keep my workspace very neat and clean. Having an organized desk helps me think better and work faster. Around 3 p.m., I always take a short 15-minute break to rest. I walk away from my computer screen to give my eyes a break. I go to the kitchen to pour myself a tall glass of cold water. If I feel hungry, I eat a healthy snack like an apple or a handful of nuts. When the weather outside is beautiful, I like to step out for a brief walk. Walking around the neighborhood gives me fresh air and clears my head. If I have free time in the afternoon, I use it to improve my English skills. I open my English notebook and practice writing 3 new sentences. I love to listen to English speakers who speak slowly and clearly. Repeating sentences out loud helps my tongue get used to English sounds. I can feel my speaking confidence growing bigger every single day. At 5 p.m., I begin to finish my work and close my open documents. I review my checklist to see what I accomplished today. I feel very satisfied when I cross off all my finished tasks. I pack up my things, turn off my desk lamp, and prepare to relax. Let us shadow another short story together. This one is about an afternoon routine. Listen closely, wait for the pause, and then speak the words with confidence. My afternoon is usually the busiest part of my entire day. After I enjoy a light lunch with my friends, I return directly to my office desk. I spend a few hours typing reports, answering telephone calls, and solving problems. At exactly 3 o'clock, I always stop what I am doing for a short break. I stretch my back and walk outside the building for 10 minutes. The fresh air always makes me feel brand new. When I return to my desk, I finish my remaining tasks quickly. Before I close my laptop for the day, I write down a small note in English about what I learned. This simple habit keeps me organized, motivated, and moving forward. We have made it to the final part of our day, the evening and the night. This is a very special, peaceful time. It is your time to slow down, rest your body, spend time with loved ones, and think about your progress. Let us practice our final set of daily sentences. Repeat after me. Evening practice sentences. I usually arrive back at my home around 6 p.m. in the evening. The very first thing I do is take off my heavy shoes at the front door. I wash my hands thoroughly with warm water and soap. Then I change into my softest, most comfortable clothes. I sit down on the living room sofa for 10 minutes just to rest. Sometimes I turn on the television to watch the evening news channel. Other evenings, I prefer to play some gentle acoustic music in the background. Around 7 p.m., I begin to think about making a delicious dinner. I enjoy chopping fresh vegetables and cooking a hot, healthy meal. If I am too exhausted to cook, I order food from a local restaurant. I love to sit down and share my dinner table with my family members. We talk about our day, laugh together, and share interesting stories. After we finish eating, I help clear the table and wash the dirty dishes. I wipe the kitchen counters until everything looks perfectly tidy. In the late evening, I like to do something calm and relaxing. I often sit in my favorite armchair and read a chapter of an interesting book. Reading before bed helps my mind slow down and prepares me for sleep. I make sure to turn off all the bright lights in the house. At 10 p.m., I enter the bathroom to prepare for bed. I brush my teeth once more and wash my face with warm water. I take a warm, relaxing bath to soothe my tired muscles. I set my morning alarm clock for 7 a.m., so I do not oversleep. I place my smartphone far away from my bed so it does not distract me. I climb into my warm bed and pull the heavy blankets over my shoulders. I close my eyes, take a slow, deep breath, and let go of all my stress. I think about one thing that made me truly happy during the day. I fall asleep quickly and enjoy peaceful dreams all through the night. You have done an absolutely incredible job listening and repeating these 80 sentences. Now, it is time for the most exciting part of today's lesson at the Academy of English Excellence. It is your turn to speak independently. Do not worry, I am going to help you. I am going to say the beginning of a sentence, and I want you to complete it using your own real life. Speak your answer out loud. Are you ready? Let us try. Sentence starter 1. In the morning, I usually wake up at. Wonderful. Sentence starter 2. For my breakfast, I love to eat. Excellent choice. Sentence starter 3. In the afternoon, my absolute favorite activity is. That sounds amazing. Sentence starter 4. To relax my mind in the evening, I always. Fantastic job. Sentence starter 5. Before I fall asleep at night, I make sure to. Brilliantly spoken. Look at what you have accomplished today. You listened to an entire, detailed daily routine. You practiced 80 rich vocabulary sentences, shadowed 2 deep stories, and spoke your own words completely independently. This is what true progress looks like. By spending this time with me today, you are not just passively studying the English language. You are actively using it. You are living it one clear sentence at a time. Please be incredibly proud of your hard work and effort today. Consistency is the golden key to fluency. I want to encourage you to come back to this video often. Listen to it while you are cleaning, walking, or getting ready in the morning. Shadow my voice again and again until these structures feel completely natural to you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, the Academy of English Excellence, for more slow, supportive, and effective English lessons. Keep listening, keep speaking out loud, and always believe in your incredible potential. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you in our very next episode. Bye for now.